For me, care means just being there for each other.
And for me, care implies a loving sensitivity to each other's needs.
For me, care means looking after my home and family.
Care means reaching out to those in need.
Care means love. Care means providing for our loved ones.
Care for me is all about understanding the needs of the other person.
For me, caring is a natural process.
We at Roche care by providing value-added services to our customers.
For me, care is everything.
Care is displaying kindness and concern for others.
Caring for me means to be able to help somebody.
We all heard colleagues talk about what they think about care. This word evokes such a positive feeling. That is what we stand for. I would like to tell you that I personally care for each one of you. So how do I show that I care? Maybe by talking to you more often, share our collective experiences as we go along the path. But specifically, I want to discuss this word care with you. Let's start with the first letter of care, which is C. C is about consistency. Consistency in our performance. Consistency in everything we do.
C. Consistency. You heard Siddharth talk about his passion to remain consistent in word, action and deed. In short, consistency in everything we do.
Next letter, which is A. A stands for ambition.
A for ambitions. Our ambitions at Roche Diabetes Care India is to remain market leaders and to pave out new paths for the industry to follow are going to be possible only with each of you putting your best foot forward.
The next letter, R. R is about relevance. Relevance to our customers.
I'm sure you agree with me that being relevant to customers is very important, from the solutions we provide and the messages we give to the way we reach out to them. This is all the more relevant in a diverse market like India.
And finally, E. E is about you, the employees.
The E of care, or employees, are the building block that is going to make Roche Diabetes Care India a consistently performing organization.
These four subjects we will discuss at length throughout 2016. 2016 is a very important year for all of us. On 7th of November 2016, we will go live as a separate company.
As we move toward the November 2016 go-live date, we are building resources and equipping organizations to become an independent legal entity.
During the course of this year, we will be increasingly discussing our initiatives aimed at reaching out to customers and being relevant to them.
As a sales head, it is my objective to take you along this journey of building an organization that is not just a performing organization, but one that is consistently performing and staying ahead of competition.
And we are looking at new business relationships and opportunities and greenfield ventures to build business where probably none exist today, exactly what the market leaders do. And I'm through the coming year going to discuss on how we are progressing on such ambitious growth plans while asking you to participate in the making of the success story.
So there are a whole host of people initiatives we are working on, which we shall keep bringing up with you.
We know what we would like to achieve, what have drawn our objectives in SGI very clearly. We are working on how we can achieve it, and we would like to discuss these hows with you through the coming months under care various heads.
So colleagues, are you ready for this journey? Because this journey can be fulfilling, exciting, but will not end if all of us are not there together with their heart and soul. So once again, are you ready for this journey? Come, join the care journey.
You will feel the care and want to care for patients more.